Everyone. This is your fourth semester subject paper, manufacturing technology. In that paper there is a topic, lathe machines. So we are going to discuss about the lathe machines. So these are the outlines of lathe machines. First of all, we have discussed the introduction to lathe machines, types of lathe machines, parts of lathe machines, operation of lathe machines. So first of all, we have discussed that lathe was the first machine tool which, uh, which came to be useful as a machines using by the cutting tools, and thus it formed for the basic of production of cutting tools, which is later development. So it is machine tools is also called as modern machine tools. It can be defined as the machine tools the job to be machined is held and rotated by the lathe job, and a single point cutting tool which is moved radially into the job and moved longitudinally along the axis of rotation of the workpiece, and removing the metal in the form of the chips. Then what are the types of the lathe? So there are various types of lathe. These are the engine lathe, bench lathe, speed lathe, tool room lathe, capstan toilet lathe, automatic lathe, special purpose lathe. All the types of lathe were discussed later. First of all, we discuss the engine lathe. Engine lathe is the most basic and simplest form of the lathe, which is used for producing the cylindrical jobs. Expecting the turning operation, all other all other operations which are carried out by the engine lathe, like thread cutting, facing, taper turning, grooving, champering, parting of, these are done by the engine lathe. What are the parts of the lathe? These are the picture of the lathe machines. There are different basic parts of the lathe machines: bed, then headstock, tailstock, carriage. So basic part of the lathe is bed, headstock, tailstock, carriage. Carriage is also consists of the different parts: saddle, cross slide, compound race, tool post, and apron. Let us discuss one by one. So, bed. Bed is the base part of the lathe machines, which is most rigid. It is made up of cast iron, and there are different parts of the lathe like headstock, tailstock, carriage are assembly mounted permanently. So, then it is the base of the lathe. It is a single heavy casting and has a rigidly to resist the deflection, twist, and vibration. It carries the headstock, tailstock, and carries. Then headstock. Headstock is the base. Headstock is the box-like structure, and it is also made up of the cast iron. It is permanently fitted to the right hand end of the lathe bed. Thus, in headstock, it carries the spindle and contains a gearbox. In that, the spindle is supported in bearing which are housed in the headstock. Then tailstock. Tailstock is the situated in the right end of the bed, and is in tailstock it is the loose head. It is called as a loose head, and the spindle can be moved in and out of the tailstock by rotating the help of the hand wheel. By machining, long job is held between the headstock and tailstock. There is no bend which carried on the while machining. Then carriage. Carriage it is a movable on guideways and it carries the cutting tools. By moving the entire carriage longitudinally feed in given to the tool. It consists of the various parts like saddle, crosslight, compound rest, tool post, apron. So first saddle. Saddle is the that part of the carriage which slide on the bed edge and which support saddle will support the crosslight, compound rest and tool post. Then crosslight. Crosslight is that part of the carriage which support the compound rest and is moved any direction when it is moved any direction at different speed. Then compound rest. Compound rest is that type of the carriage which is support the tool post and is then it moved in the any part or swivel plate which is called as a compound rest. Then tool post. Tool post is the most important part of the carriage which hold the tool. So it is also called as a tool holder. Then apron. Last is apron. Apron is a total entire covering part of the carriage called as a apron. Then what are the lathe operation required in a lathe? The lathe operation performed by the following methods. Operation which are performed in a lathe either by the holding the workpiece between the center or by the jaw. So different operations like facing, like thread cut turning, straight turning, knurling, taper turning, drilling and boring. What is facings? Facing is that type of operation for generation of cylindrical flat surface. It is operation for generation of flat surface which is perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the spindle. So it is called as a facings. Then straight turning. Straight turning is that type of operation in which tool is held parallel to the workpiece. So it is called as a straight turning. Then what is taper turning? Taper turning is that type of operation in which you uniformly increase or decrease the diameter of the workpiece by producing the cylindrical surface or removing the metal in the form of the chips. Then thread cutting. Thread cutting is that type of the operation which is either increase or decrease the diameter of the workpiece by producing the flat surface. Then drilling. Drilling is that type of operation in which hold the cylindrical, which producing the cylindrical hole of the workpiece called as a drilling. What is boring? Boring is that type of the operation which is enlarging the cylindrical hole which is produced by the drilling, punching, co-forging. So these are the operations required in the lathe machine. Thank you.